Well, I just came through a police barricade. Let's see what's up here. They say a big old tree is down. They have it all blocked off with cars. They said I could go ahead as long as I was careful, since I'm on a bicycle. That no way it's going to happen in a car. Well, it looks like I see what they're talking about. Wow. Big tree down. We'll see if I can walk it through, because this is how I'll be coming on Monday. I'm glad I came out here to check it out. Can you get through on a bicycle?
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, you can go around, yeah, or you can walk through here.
Yeah, I was gonna walk it. All right.
You can bike all the way around.
Yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to take some video.
Excuse me?
I'm doing a video documentary.
Oh, okay.
So.
Okay, well, you know what you're doing.
Yeah, well, I'm not gonna go if it's dangerous, you know.
Yeah,
My thing's about safety, you know what I'm saying? So I think I might just take a look-see from here. Wow. Amazing. Huge trees. That shows you the force of this wind. Just take a look-see up this way. Take it easy. How you doing? Having a little stretch, are we? I'm doing a video documentary, actually. I'm riding my bike around the world. Do you live in this neighborhood?
Yeah, Santa Rosa.
Oh, wow. Yeah. It's pretty wild.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you just go around the country, or do you go world tour?
Actually, I'm on a world tour raising money for needy children. And I actually start off, well, I started off the day this happened. And so I'm kind of holed up here for a few days. And I'm raising money for Hillsides in Pasadena, Hillsides Children's Home. And but I'm originated in Colorado, and you know, going from here to Miami, then South Africa, then Australia, then New Zealand, then back here. So
How many years are you planning?
just one year.
1 year.
Oh yeah.
So how long does it take you from West Coast all the way to East Coast?
Well, if I was just riding and not stopping to talk to people or whatever, probably 4 months. And so I'm giving myself 5 months. You know, yeah, I'm filming you. Is that okay?
Oh, yeah,
Say hello.
okay. Hi.
What's your names?
Andrea
Andrea and
and Sunny.
Sunny. How you doing? My name's Chris.
Hi, Chris.
And my thing is, you can't really see my ordinary person cycles for needy children. So
Good cause, good cause.
So yeah, this is wild. I'm from New Orleans, so I know what this, you know, this is a familiar scene with a hurricane.
Oh yeah, with hurricane. With
Yeah, wow.
tornado there?
Yeah, that's the only difference between, this was a steady wind, and with a hurricane you usually get tornadoes that'll flatten out a house, but this is, hey, you know, this is not to sneeze at.
Yeah. It's first time seeing this scene thing for Andrea, but I have been to worse than this.
Oh yeah. There has been worse, but it's just amazing.
Yeah.
Okie doke.
We're counting our blessings.
Absolutely.
Nothing really bad happened.
Yeah.
Nobody lost life.
Yeah, I didn't hear that anyone was hurt,
No.
which is amazing when you look at all these massive giants that came down.
On the house.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okie doke. Well,
Okay.
y'all take care.
Good luck. Bye.
Thank you.